install this on my 2020 Mustang GT. You know, so y'all wish us luck, and hopefully don't take us so long. It shouldn't. So yeah, Mbrp exhaust. This is the race exhaust, so I guess this is the loudest option they have. So yeah, I'll hit you guys back when it is done. So yeah, you know what I'm saying, stock exhaust. The stock exhaust don't sound loud at all. Let me do a little cold start so you guys can hear it. Oh, hold on. That's kind of loud in the garage, but that's a little test. It ain't that loud. Yeah. So there you go. That's a little cold start. So I mean, not a cold start, warm start. So it ain't that loud, but it's kind of echo in his garage, so it's gonna make it. Being in his garage is gonna make it be a little louder. So yeah, that's a little start, warm start. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's get to this exhaust. You feel me?
You feel me?
Yep. Take all this shit out. Damn. These are the little hook things, whatever the fuck you want to call this shit. Ooh, this motherfucker gonna be loud. Put it back here. This motherfucker gonna be loud. I'm excited. No mufflers, no nothing. Just H pipe and that shit. Alright. Oh, can you get them gloves too? There's an H pipe over there with the, you know what I'm saying, whatever. And it needs to. And you know what I'm saying, here go the tips. Sorry for the line, but here go the tips. Let me try to take one out for you guys. There you go. See that? Mbrp. Ooh, these ones clean. And of course, there's some, y'all. So I'm gonna hit y'all guys back whenever it's done. And then of course, we go the bands. Yeah, they go the other tips. They all same color, but I'm gonna hit y'all back when I'm done. So yeah, let's get to it. Got the exhaust on after like 40 years, but the tips ain't on yet because I don't have a Allen wrench. Well, you recording on your phone? Because I'm finna.
My phone's taking right now.
Here, just use my flash. But we didn't put the tips on there because I don't have a big Allen wrench, you know, big enough for the exhaust. But I'm nervous. Oh shit, this bitch gonna be. The tips are on there. Don't mind it. It's kind of uneven. I'm going to just get it fixed tomorrow. It's too late right now. But yeah, tips are on there. R.I.P. to my neighbors, bro. That bitches. So you can report your reaction. I'm about to check again. Copyright. Nobody heard that. Oh, my legs. See, cause that one stick out more than this one, so I gotta fix it. You got the phone on you?
Yeah. No, oh, it's on me?
Yeah, put it on you.
It's on the ground right now.
Like, turn it around, fool.
Oh, so you know what I'm saying? Yeah. This is crazy.
Oh my God.
God. Woo. They be loud, I ain't gonna lie. That right there is crazy. That right.
Does it look like it, like the one, this one sticking out more than this one?
Yeah. This inside one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh.